Hey guys, and welcome to another video, and today we are playing Airplane Story. I thought I should play this game because it had so many parts, so I might play like probably two or all the parts today, and I decided to just play it because I mean it was a popular game, so I thought a lot of people would love to play it with me. Alright, wait, what? Am I in the room? What's going on? I was lagging. Very laggy. Very laggy. Okay. Wait, I'm gonna get a lot of people's attention. Oh man, we're already going to the place, and then right at that time, then I say, oh boy, ooh, A11. What does that mean? Oh, I think it's our seat number. A11. 11. I see 11 right here. 11 of A. No A12. Why do I always gotta be me? So, you played Airplane Award. Thank you. Hello, everyone. This is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard flight. We are currently flying at an altitude of 33,000 feet above sea level. The weather looks good, which means we'll be arriving in no time to our destination. It was lagging a little bit for some reason. I don't know why. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. What else? That's it. I found my seat though. Hey, I still found my seat. That's good. What's good? What's good? I always just love saying this. I just want to gain fame a little bit at least. Oh my god, it's high turbulence 100%. Goodness gracious. Look at all that. Look at all that turbulence. Oof, that was close. Dude, come sit with me. Ready as our crew prepares a snack for everybody. Yoy. I don't want a snack. I'm done eating. I've ate a lot. Especially my first video, I ate some candy, an apple. And I mean, yeah, I ate a lot of stuff already. I'm full. We'll be delivering sandwiches. Enjoy. Very good. They're eating everything. Is going good, yay. I am not feeling very well. Oh, God. Wait, this sandwich has mayo? I'm allergic to mayo. I get it. I get it, man. I get it. Well, I'll just eat the sandwich then. I was afraid that would happen. Well, I'm already done with the sandwich. Wow. Very, very, very cool. I'm not looking for anything. I'm getting up, but fine. I will do it. If I die for it, then I'll restart. Just for the like of it. I'm just helping somebody. Somebody already found it. It was up there. Oh, you got lucky that time. Well, back to my seat I go. Wee. Yeah, get the window spot though. Nice. The window spot is probably the best spot ever. He's all the way down there. I have somebody by my side. I'll go in first person because everything else is not looking good. Oh boy. Yum. Oh, it's nighttime. Yeah, this is better. At least I can see better. Hey, King Penny. Kenny Penny, 12. That was King, but it's a girl anyway, so why would I say King? Oh boy, oh. Oh my god. It appears that we've lost energy. Okay, I'm going out of first person. When there's a problem, I need to go out of first person. So, I mean, yeah. 1 second, I need to pause. Whoa, what's going on? Wait a minute, what's going on? Oh boy. You will not survive. What the heck is going on? What in the world? Oh god, there's literally snakes. Stay on those chairs. Okay, I'll pause here. 1 second. Hopefully I didn't pause for too long. Guys, in the restroom will be safer there. Oh god, people are literally dying. Where's the restroom? I think it's in here, and I died. Wow. Gosh, why? Why? Back to lobby, man. Well, if you really want me to complete this game, then I will. But don't forget to leave a like. And you know the rule. Leave a like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and leave a comment down below. Bye.